Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be translating full Nyanja sentences, so let's go straight into the video. Muli bwanji, how are you? Bwino muli bwanji, fine, how are you? Mwachokela kuti, where are you coming from? Ku market, the market. So it's rare that I hear people use market. You can just say ku market, it's still okay. Mwagula chani, what did you buy? Ndiyo, relish. Nagula nsomba, nkuku na nyama. I bought fish, chicken and meat. So nsomba is fish, nkuku is chicken, nyama is meat. So it can be any type of meat, it's still nyama. Tizadya chani pa lunch. What are we having for lunch? Tizadya nsima na nkuku. We'll have nsima with chicken. So I hear a lot of people saying shima. So, but for me, I think the correct pronunciation is nsima. Whether in English or Nyanja, it's still nsima. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about the video in the comment section below. If you haven't yet subscribed, please you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you receive a notification each time I post a new video. Thank you. Bye.